I used to think getting in shape was this monumental task, something reserved for those who had hours to spare, who could dedicate their lives to the gym, who had the perfect diet plan and the willpower of a saint. I mean, look at all those fitness influencers on social media, right? They make it look so easy, so effortless. But then I discovered the treadmill, and it was like a light bulb went off in my head. Here's this machine, this simple, unassuming piece of equipment, and it's a game changer. I remember the first time I stepped onto one. I was hesitant, unsure of what to expect. I had this image in my mind of people running like gazelles, effortlessly gliding along, while I'd be the awkward one, tripping over my own feet. But I pressed start, and suddenly I was in control. I could set my own pace, adjust the incline, and challenge myself without the pressure of anyone watching. It was liberating. At first, I started slow, just a gentle walk. I could feel my heart rate rising, my muscles waking up, and I thought, this isn't so bad. Gradually, I began to increase the speed, and before I knew it, I was jogging. The rhythm of my feet hitting the belt became a kind of meditation. I could lose myself in the music, the steady beat matching my heartbeat, and I felt the stress of the day melt away. I started to see results faster than I ever imagined. The weight began to drop, my energy levels soared, and I felt stronger. I could run longer, push myself harder, and the treadmill became my ally. I learned to love those moments of sweat, the burn in my legs, the way my lungs expanded with each breath. It was a rush, a high that I never expected to find in something so simple. And the beauty of it? I could do it anytime, anywhere. Rain or shine, day or night, I could hop on and get my workout in. No need for fancy classes or expensive memberships. Just me, my treadmill, and the determination to keep going. I realized that getting in shape doesn't have to be this daunting, unattainable goal. It can be as simple as putting one foot in front of the other, finding that rhythm, and embracing the journey. The treadmill taught me that fitness is about consistency, about showing up for myself, and about celebrating the small victories along the way. So here I am, a treadmill warrior, and I wouldn't trade this experience for anything. It's not just about the body, it's about the mind, the spirit, and the joy of movement.